Hello friends. In the last lecture, we understand the syllabus of our literary criticism. Now in this lecture, we are going to understand literary criticism. If we see or read, there is a two major word, literary and criticism. Literary word is referred and associated with literature. Criticism is referred with any field because criticism is happening in every area with a different perspective. It may be a film criticism, newspaper, or any incident or any event. It should be criticized. And in this year, for this paper special 4, we will understand and learn literary criticism. Okay, so go ahead. In this paper, we will learn the types of criticism, the definitions of criticism, origin of criticism, principles of criticism, and functions of criticism. Every aspect will be seen, will be studied in this year for this paper. Now, last year and until today, we learn the literature. In short, we can call literature is a mirror of life. It is a mirror of life because it reflects human emotions, relations, expressions, ideas, life, and everything. It is a thoroughly or generally we can say the mirror of life is literature. But another part, criticism is examine the literature, remark the literature, get the judgment, give the judgment on a literature. Okay, it's shown the merits म्हणजे चांगल्या गोष्टी and demerits गुण आणि दोष असं and demerits of literature. It helps to us to understand the literature. Okay, लिटरेचर समजून घेण्यासाठी क्रिटिसिझम मदत करते, त्याच्यावर एक्झामाइन करते, त्याच्यावर रिमार्क्स करते, त्याच्यावर कंट्रोल ठेवते, त्याचे मेरिट्स अँड डिमेरिट्स सांगते. हे काम आहे. इट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ criticism, and literature is reflect the life. We already know some definition we will learn in the next lecture, but criticism makes the opinion, it attacks, it put down the ideas, it decree. Okay, it get the review of literature. Okay, it condemn the literature. Okay, it developed the idea about the literature. It helps to understand the literature. It assess the literature. लिटरेचरला असेस करतं, समजून घेण्यासाठी रिमार्क करतं, त्याचं रिव्ह्यू देतं. एव्हरीथिंग इज inbuilt came under the criticism. Is criticism right or wrong? ओके, एखाद्या गोष्टीला समीक्षा करणे चांगले किंवा वाईट. इज क्रिटिसिझम ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स? क्रिटिसिझम सत्य आहे का असत्य? ओके, याच्यावर पण जरा आपण विचार करायला पाहिजे. इफ यू सी द पिक्चर, you can see there is a glass, and in that glass there is some water, okay, so someone will be tell us the glass is half full, and someone maybe tell us that the glass is half empty. Both sentences are true. Okay, so both perspective, both approaches are true. So therefore, if someone say that this literature is good or this literature is bad, both are correct. Okay, दोन्ही वाक्य बरोबरच आहेत, because criticism gives the space to criticize, to make the review, to judgment, to evaluate, to examine the literature. Now in this slide you can see the glass, okay, or spectacle, and you can also see the scenario, natural scenario before the spectacle or glass. The natural scenario is like the literature. साहित्यासारखं म्हणजे नैसर्गिक वातावरण जे काही त्या ठिकाणी दिसतंय ते साहित्यासारखं आहे, त्याच्यात काहीच वेगळं नाही, ते नैसर्गिक आहे. बट क्रिटिसिझम, ओके, गिव अस द क्लिअर vision about the literature, because criticism help us to understand the literature like this glass, because it clear the vision. If you see minutely, so you can see that the glass help us to focus the natural elements particularly. So criticism is works like that. I hope you will understand my point of view. Thank you very much.